lettuce.
And prawns.
And a bowl and spoons. So, let's start.
Okay.
First, we need to do the pink sauce. I'm going to mix. Stop. Now I'm going to, let's see if now we need to mix.
I think this is perfect.
Yeah, it's so solid and perfect.
Now we have to put this pink sauce inside the big leaf of lettuce.
All the way to the last drop. I need to be all in the circle. And now the last step, prawns.
For our second course, we're going to make a 2021 puff pastry pie.
Look, it's so soft. Chef, we are professional chef. Hello, chef.
Hello, Chef 2.
Guys, do you see this? This would become a 2021 shape. It's going to be a bit hard, but we're going to make it.
I think it's going to be very
Wait, but before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Danny and Julie Wonderlab. Now we need to cut 4 stripes with a knife, but be really careful. You do it first.
Okay.
You're more bigger.
1.
Now we need to lift it. It sticks on the table. It's on the table. Oh my gosh!
Let's get from this side too.
Oh my.
Let me cut a bit more.
We done 5 on these.
Wow! Look at all this pastry.
We have so much extra. Let's take in these.
Play-Doh.
I want to try the Play-Doh. Let's.
From the first stripe, I'm going to make a number 2.
My hands
Make
are so.
it
I
nice
love
and
this.
long.
I love this Play-Doh. And now I'm going to do number 0.
Look at my number 2. Perfect.
0.
2. And now I'm going to make a 0.
And I'm going to make a 2.
2021 is ready. And now it has to be cooked in the oven at 200 degrees for 10 minutes.
Let's go and do it. The oven is still cold, so we're gonna put this inside, but then ask your parents to turn it on. So let's put it down. Let's close it.
And turn it on.
Camera mom, can you help us?
And now put this up to 10. 18 too much?
Guys, now we're gonna do the third recipe.
While we wait for this. While we wait for our second course to be ready, we will make some fruit fireworks.
You mean fruit rocket?
Yes.
Strawberry and grapes, and
Skewers.
you need to put grapes in.
Put as many grapes as you want.
Yeah. And now we need to put strawberry, my favorite fruit. It's a bit hard with the wee bit.
And put this one at the end if you like.
A tiny one.
And then the fire.
And now the strawberry.
There you go.
Present
you
our
fireworks.
This is,
Blue.
this is,
Silver.
this is pink. This is
Gold.
8 tablespoons of vegetable oil.
It's 230 ml of water.
Or you can do 230 ml of milk. We need to break the 3 eggs in this bowl.
Medium eggs.
Yeah, medium eggs.
Perfect.
keep. Oh my goodness.
Open, 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 open.
Oh no, so many shells went in.
Let's get them out. We've set up all our ingredients. Now let's open our cake mix.
Chef, what do you need now?
Nothing.
Scissors!
We have to put everything in the bowl.
Everything.
Yes.
Oh.
Want to help you? Judy, here. Put it on the side. Throw it on the side.
Now we need to collect all this chocolate.
We can't eat it.
No. Then you grab this chocolate.
Just leave it.
No, we need to push it.
Oh wow.
Okay. Now,
Leave it just in some more.
now let's add the eggs.
Are you sure?
Yes.
No. Oh, go inside.
Now the oil.
You put the oil. I want to put the water.
Oil.
And
The water.
This makes the nice bit.
Oh,
Let's
mix it.
now.
Where's everything?
Where's everything? Everything's funny.
Mix it so it'll get very hard. Everything is getting dark.
You can even use an electric mixer or your hands.
Not yet, not yet.
No, not yet, not yet. Maybe later you can use. I'm using a pink one. Yeah, it's in the
Look at this, look at it. It's
Okay,
getting-
I'm gonna say once when it was our mom's birthday, we made a cake, but that cake was ruined because it was in the oven for too long.
Let me do a bit here.
My mom, look how nice it's, but we cannot eat it.
Because there's egg that's not cooked.
You're mixing, prepare the oven at 180 degrees. This is so dark. I hope it's not dark chocolate because I don't like dark chocolate.
Put this in the tin.
Oh. Let me try.
It's going everywhere. Judy, do a bit here.
That is me. I'm gonna clean myself.
Temperature is ready. Now we have to put the cake in the oven. Okay.
I hold one side and you hold another side.
Don't put that hand. Don't. Let's open it.
Be really careful because the.
Now go, Julie. Let me put it.
Oh. I have to wait half an hour.